That looks about perfect.
It is about perfect.
Yeah, I'm so excited about this reclaimed wood deck. We're redoing our house quite a bit. We're getting it painted and I don't know, new gutters and stuff, lots of things, because it's just an old farmhouse, but we've been working on it over the years. But I always wanted to extend this little side porch all the way around the front to meet the front porch, but the front porch is actually about a foot higher than the side porch, so we decided to go for this little deck. We found this over there at that compost place. We asked the guy if we could have it and he said absolutely. So yay, free deck. And also we're using some fairly good materials. These are all in pretty good shape. There were a few rotten spots on the decking boards, but they were really long, like 16 feet long, and all we need is, what is this, 6 feet? So yeah, it's gonna look pretty awesome, and we'll show y'all when we get done. All right, here it is all done. Nice place to sit and have a cup of tea.